Meaning of inedible.
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 Inedible. The term inedible refers to a substance that is not fit or suitable for consumption due to its unpalatable taste, harmful contents, or any other reasons. Inedible food items are unsafe to consume and can cause serious health issues if ingested. This can include spoiled or rotten foods, certain types of plants, or non-food items such as plastics or chemicals. Consuming inedible substances can lead to nausea, vomiting, upset stomach, diarrhea, and potentially fatal health complications. Therefore, it is important to avoid consuming any inedible items in order to maintain good health and well-being.